Back with Barry at Lund International's booth at SEMA with Auto Parts Warehouse. I'm Paul Tapier, and we're looking at a new tonneau cover.
Absolutely. Really excited to introduce our Lund hard tri-fold top. This is 2 years in the making. We've very well known for our Lund Genesis and Genesis Elite series. That's a vinyl over and the twill hearts fabric over the aluminum frame. This is our first foray into this solid HardFold tri-fold style top. And there's a couple of design features I really want to point out to you. When we went into this, we wanted a very low profile, so we wanted sub 1 inch. We were able to accomplish that because we ended up with about a 3/4 of an inch for an on-bed rail mount. That is very low profile. The other criteria that we wanted to meet is we did not want to have the use of a supplemental bed rail. A lot of hard tri-fold tops on the market require the use of a supplemental bed rail. We feel that adds complexity and cost, so we were able to accomplish that. The way we were able to do that is we have a very thin profile panel, and the way we were able to accomplish that, we have an aluminum skin on the top, aluminum skin on the bottom, but the core of the matter is a CPA. That's a corrugated polyolymere, and what that does is it gives us a lot of strength. It's a polycarbonate, completely impervious to water and moisture, but it's very strong, has a very strong high weight to strength ratio. So it gives us the strength that we need, a very low profile, extruded aluminum all the way around, a glass-filled poly on all the corner and plastic components, and it has a solid hinge that goes all the way through. There's really no moving or wearable parts. The other thing that's nice is we wanted to minimize the moisture intrusion. We all know that these tops are not completely waterproof, but we want to minimize moisture and dust intrusion. We were able to accomplish that with a 2-fin wiper-style gasket on the exterior and a die-cut foam on the interior. Because when you have moving parts, you don't want to butt joint those, you want them to overlap. So we have a die-cut foam on the interior. I'll step over to the side and I'll be happy to show you.
That is a whole lot of R&D that went into this.
It is, and it's so thin and lightweight. The whole thing folded will literally flip back. You can drive with it in a 2/3 open position, or you can just simply fold it all the way, snap it, and remove it. Less than 50 pounds, so anybody can easily get this top off.
Terrific, and this is how many years in the making?
About 2, I'd say about 2. So we've done a lot of R&D. We're really excited about it. The new Eclipse, hard tri-fold from Lund, it's a top that we're really going to have a lot of fun with.
And there's nothing else like it on the market except from Lund.
Absolutely, I like to think so,
yeah.
Especially with that core.
All right, and of course you can find all Lund International products on Auto Parts Warehouse. I'm Paul Tapier at SEMA.